Hello students, 10th class English medium. As we already started lesson number 1, now we are going to continuing the lesson number 2, which is classification of elements. In the first part there it has been given the Dobbe-Reiners triad rule. You know, see the picture of Dobbe-Reiner and uh, his theory about the classification of element is known as Dobbe-Reiner's triad rule. In 1817, Wolfgang Dobbe-Reiner began to formulate one of the earliest attempt to classify the elements. In 1829, he found that he could form some of the elements into groups of 3. With the members of each group having related properties. He termed these groups triads. Some of the triads that were classified by Dobbe-Reiner are, examples are given, chlorine, bromine, iodine, calcium, strontium, barium, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, lithium, sodium and potassium. In all the triads, the atomic weight of the middle element was almost exactly the average of the atomic weights of the two other elements. For example, I can show you, this is the example you have to write in the copy, which is also given in the book, lithium, sodium and potassium. If we see in the book, lithium has 6.9, potassium has 39, addition we have to add both the atomic mass of lithium and potassium, approximately it will come 46, exactly 46 approximately, and when we divide it by 2, 46 divided by 2 means if we take 46 divided by 2, it will become 23, which is the atomic mass of the middle element sodium. After Dobbe-Reiner's triad, there was a scientist, Newland. His rule was known as Newland's octave rule. See the picture of Newland, and Newland was the first person to devise a periodic table element arranged in order to according to their atomic weights. As Dobbe-Reiner worked only with the 3 elements, Newland worked with the 8 number of element. In 1865, he has given the law of octave. See the Newland's law of octave. There is a table in the if the chemical element are arranged according to the increasing atomic weight, those with the similar physical and chemical properties occur after each interval of 7 elements. Newland was one of the first to detect the periodic pattern in the properties of the element and anticipated later developed of the periodic law. He has given in the book also do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. That means in Indian version we are pronouncing as the sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. In the first element, if hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen, again the property repeats in the first column with the fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus and sulfur, chlorine, potassium, calcium, chromium, titanium, manganese and ferrous. This is the octave rule. Newland has given the octave law. So this much for the